64,000 candidates sat for the 2025 National Common Entrance Examination for admission into federal government colleges conducted by the National Examination Council, NECO. Minister of State for Education, Prof Suwaiba Ahmad, who monitored the exercise in some schools in Abuja metropolis, expressed satisfaction with the smooth conduct of the examination. She said the turnout reflects continued public trust in the unity school system.
So we have a high number of students that are sitting for these exams. We have about 64,000 students, 30,000 male students and 34,000 female students. The exams conduct actually is very good.
Meanwhile, the Registrar of NECO, Prof Ibrahim Wishishi, gave a breakdown on the examination, with Lagos State coming tops with the highest number of registered candidates.
Nigerians still believe in the unity schools because it's one of the edifices for uniting all Nigerians from all over the country. You have candidates congregating together to ensure that there is unity in the country.
2025 National Common Entrance Examination also had candidates from Benin Republic and Togo. CNN News.